Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to take long screenshot with Android. So if you are new on my channel, just subscribe my channel and turn the notification bell icon. So let's start the video. To take a screenshot from your phone, you need a application. So go to Play Store and search long screenshot. After searching, you will find an application which name is Longshot. Just install this app and open. After opening first time, you have to enable some permission and just click on this enable and start now. You can see here is a start option in green color and cancel option in red color. Now go whenever you want to take a screenshot. I am going to YouTube and click on start. After clicking, you can see scroll from bottom to below the red line and don't fling. So just scroll down the screen slowly and don't fling. So I am scroll down and stop, scroll down and stop again. Just do these things repeatedly. So I am doing. Scroll the page when you want to stop. So I click on done. After click on done, wait some time and your screenshot will be ready. Yes, our screenshot is done. If you want to delete or edit this screenshot, just click on adjust. You will see some option here. So click on save and the image will be saved on your SD card or phone memory card. So I hope you like the video. You can zoom it in HD view. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.